What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Guys, first of all I would like to wish you everyone for the happy new year. Today is 1st of January and this is the first tutorial from the new year, and today's topic is again a new topic which is table in REPORTLAB. So basically I will start the more advanced topic, which is the advanced topic already started couple of weeks ago with the flowables and platypus, but now it is going to be more advanced or more some expertise, like it will give you some sort of expertise, if you mean what I understand, if you understand what I mean, right? So the thing is that table is one of the most and essential part, or the kind of what to say, like component of any sort of report. Suppose you are going to create one calendar in the form of a PDF, then also you need some sort of table structure, okay, to hold your data. So let's say you are going to present some sort of sales dashboard, then also you need some sort of table. So table is going to be very important. So those are familiar with HTML table, for them it will be easier, but if someone doesn't know what is HTML table and don't worry about that. Don't go and start looking for the HTML table from Google or any other website. Don't require this thing. I will teach you from the beginning, and just forget about HTML table. But if someone is familiar, for them it will be easier. That's it. Okay, so how to create table in REPORTLAB? One line, just remember, using table class. I just made a mistake. Let me just write down this thing. Using table class example code and using table class from platypus module. Okay, so there is a module called table which is available within the platypus module. We can create using that. So now using table class example code. So this is the example code. Now I will explain you guys how to create that. So before that, okay, so let me just open this thing. So from REPORTLAB dot platypus is going to be simple DOCTMPLATE paragraph. I don't think so I need paragraph, but just keep it table, okay. And then from REPORTLAB dot lib dot styles import get sample style sheet. Now we'll create one PDF file object. It's going to be simple DOCTMPLATE, and within that I'll give a name of tutorial 26.pdf, okay. Create one flow object, flow underscore obj equal to this. Then we'll keep styles, and this is going to be get sample style sheet, okay. Now main part. So let's write something first, or create some sort of data, okay. So what is PDF is going to hold, okay. So okay, so do one thing. So as I told you, this is table, but now let's say print dir table. Let's see what it takes actually, okay. Or then probably let me just help. See, this is the function argument or the signature. So data, call widths, row heights, still none, repeat columns, this many things are there, okay, but not everything is required. One of the mandatory things is only data. Column width means if you provide width, it will be some sort of numerical value, and none means if whatever data you are providing, it will split based on that. But if you are mentioning something, let's say if you are mentioning 5, the width means the number of column will be 5, and row heights means the number of row. If you make it 5, then number of row will be 5. Okay, just like that. So what I'll do, I'll just create one table, let's say, but first I need data. Data could be anything. Let me just tell you if something is mentioned here or not. If anything is there. Okay, no. So data means data could be any Python string or in the string in the form of list, okay, or any REPORTLAB flowables. So what I'll do, I'll just create a sample thing like this, and then I will just create multiple list. Okay, so what will happen now? So let's write this thing. Okay, you can write this thing like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Like I'll tell you something now, I'll explain you. Just write this thing, okay, and then t equals to, or t, yeah, t is fine, equals to table data, and then we need to append this thing, flow underscore obj dot append, and we'll mention of, and this is going to be t, that this one. Okay, and now we'll just create the file. So pdf dot build, this like same like in the paragraph tutorial we did, right? Flow object, but there will be one error, I'll tell you. Okay, so this is how it is, but let's run this thing first. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. No, the error is not here. I'll tell you why the error is not coming. Now let's say x, the same thing I will do, x for x in range 1 to 7. Okay, now it should come until 1 to 6. Now it will throw some error. Still it is not throwing some error. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, for x in x range, like this. Okay, now we'll do it like this. Yes, so see, if you put it like this, it is saying int object is not iterable. Okay, so it has to be string. So what you have to do, you have to just, that error I was trying to tell you guys. So now it will be all come in the column wise, not row wise. See, it will come in the first column, right? One column. Okay, so if you want to create multiple rows, then you have to mention like this. Okay, this, the same thing you can do again, like this, like this. Okay, now see, like this. Okay, now we have created one sample table, but what I'll do, let me just create this thing here. This code here is done. Okay, we'll try to create another table with this thing. What do you say, like data, table data, row, let's run this thing. Okay, so then it probably row width why this is not taking row widths. Let me just run this thing again. Here let's take a print help of table, let's say row, okay, row heights. This is actually row height, sorry, column widths actually. Let's run this thing. So now, so what happened here, I'm not sure. Just row height this, call 10, 12 like this. Let's see what happened now. But nothing is like, you can't find anything like this. So until and unless you are not keeping this thing kind of like a box or table or kind of a line in the grid form, it is not required actually. So just forget about this thing, this part. Only data is required, and we get the data, nice looking data over here. Okay, just remember this thing. Now something will happen, I'll tell you. Now we have created one table. Now would like to have some sort of like grid within the table, like so. Next part is that how to create table with grid line. Okay, example code. Okay, so this is the next thing, how to create table with grid line. So using table style class. Okay, so there is something called table style as well, this one. Okay, now what will happen, here I will write t style equals to table style, and inside that we need to write our styling things. Okay, so we have to write like this. So first of all we will write kind of grid. Okay, and okay, so the next two thing is the dimension, like start and end. Then we have to write the like thickness, or like how much like thicker line you want for your thing. Let me like keep it 2. And next thing is color. So for the colors you need to import another thing, like from reportlab.lib colors. Let me put it like colors dot red. Okay, so that's it. Now this is start and end. So what I'll do, so this is 0 0 means 0th column 0th row. This is 0th row first column, like this. And like normal Python string, it will count from -1. This is -1th column. Okay, this one, this is -2th column, and this is -1th row. Okay, if you think this is -1, -2, -3 from the reverse side, and from the reverse side this is -1 column. Whatever we are doing it in, we already did it in list. Like if you are counting from the reverse side, the last row will be the -1, or the last element will be -1. Here this is the last column, so this is -1th column, and this is the last row, this is -1th row. Okay, just remember this thing. So here actually it starts from starting column and row. Start column, let's say our this thing, so this is going to be 0 0 always. Okay, 0, 0, and as I told you, we need the whole thing. So it will start from here, and we need this as well. Okay, whole. So this is going to be until this, so -1 2 3 4 5. So this is going to be -1 -1. So let's run this thing, -1 and -1. Okay, so let's run this thing. I think I should not print this thing anymore, it's creating some confusion. Completed. Well, colors not coming, not sure why. Okay, I forgot to append the style actually, so I need to write the style as well. T dot set style equals to T style. Here actually I forgot to give it. Okay, it's done. Yes, see, the whole thing is now populated with nice looking bold line. Okay, if you make it like, let's say point 1, let's say it's working or not. See, these things are now very small. Okay, so suppose you want only these two and these two in the grid, so minus, it will start from 0 0 and it will end up over here like this. So it will be -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -5 -1 -2 -5 -2. Let's give it a try. See, and now you want here actually one grade. Okay, so that is also possible, very much possible. So what you have to do, you have to just comma and come here and create another grid. Okay, but here now we are looking at this label, like here it should start from here and it end here like this. So this is going to be 1 0 1 2 3 4. This is fourth, right? Fourth column, and row is second, means 1. Then it will be 4 1 4 and 1, and it should end here. So it will be -1. Definitely this is -1, and -1 here, this is -1, then the row is also -1 because this is going to end here. So let me write this thing -1 -1. Let's see what happened now. Okay, something it is saying. Okay, it should be within this actually. Okay, now working fine. See, you can change the color with green. See, this is how you can create multiple grids within your document. So this is one form of TBL style using grid. Okay, so I will write it again over here. Okay, but there is a problem actually, I forgot to okay, so guys, I will just keep this code as it is and upload, then it will be easier to understand for all of you guys. So next thing is that let me write something here using TBL style class code, and then we can write another thing like TBL style example code with box. Now we'll create some box. Okay, so this is one part using TBL style. Okay, and just make it kind of this thing, or probably I just take the whole thing, like copy and just make it kind of this thing, and we'll create some box. Okay, box. So I need only one box, so probably 0 0 and let's say -1 -1.2 and red. So I don't need this thing anymore. So there should not be any comma. So let's write this thing now. Unexpected indent. Why it is saying unexpected indent? Okay, I need to keep it here as well. Okay, so it's done. So there will be one box. See, the whole box. Okay, so let me write down this thing as well. Okay, so next thing we'll use some sort of background. So guys, so I'm just keeping everything done for this episode or tutorial, like how to create box, how to create grid, how to create background color, and how to change font. So all these things will be done here. In the next tutorial we'll start some other advanced topic with REPORTLAB. So next thing is that how to create table with background with custom background color. But what I'll do, example code with background. Just remove this thing. As I told you earlier, let me just, no, I think I should do it here as well. Now I just take a copy paste of whole this thing. Okay, here I'll just put background. And we don't need anything. We will keep it like colors blue, like this. So let's run this thing now. Done. See, background is blue. You can have multiple background as well. Let's say for here you need something different. So what is going to happen? So we write the same thing again, and probably I can take the copy paste of this thing. Okay, colors dot green, I here just put background. See, looks nice, but again doesn't make any sense, right? So we are just playing around. I'm just giving you guys some sort of intuition that what you can do, what else you can do with tables. Okay, so what are the tables, or how many, like I'm not sure how many tables or reporting structure have you guys already seen? Probably millions. So there you guys definitely already seen some sort of like similar looking structure. Now you understand how much easier these things if you know Python and REPORTLAB. That's it. So let me just copy paste this thing for our slide. Okay, next thing, the last for this tutorial, means for this episode, and this is going to be how to create like table data with different, how to create table with custom font and color with font. Okay, so let's give a try. I'm not sure. Okay, so what will happen, take this thing, this is going to be the whole, that's why. Keep it font, then do this thing, then probably I can write the font name. I'm not sure whether I need to keep it like this. Font name, probably I can keep it to 20. Let's run this thing. Unsupported operand types for color and int. Okay, I'm not sure what has happened. Font size, new leading font size, I'm not sure what is happening. Font 00 Helvetica, color, probably let me write this like this. Leading font size, okay, this is not working, I'm not sure. Let me check why this is not working, what is the error. Let me quickly check this thing here. Okay, this is fine, this is fine. What is saying? Unsupported operand type, this is not like right thing. Okay, okay, this should not be the case. Okay, just thinking what else is missing, what else is missing, what else. No, I didn't find anything that is missing actually here. Okay, 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 font, this font, okay, probably I think I don't need this thing actually. Probably color is, we cannot write here. Let me just write this thing first. Okay, okay, done. Okay, fine, so this is working now. We actually don't need this thing, and let's say something probably I have with not sure. Let's try this thing. Text color, whole, and probably here I can write something. Colors dot white. I'm not sure whether this is going to work, but just give a try. Okay, I just forgot this comma. Okay, okay, it's working. So guys, so for font, like we need to use this font, this thing, and for text color, this thing. So this is like this. So we can change like times hyphen, let's say italic. So for font you need to use the location, font name and size, and for text color you need to location and color. That's it. See, and if you'd like to give it some other thing, let's say purple, like this. Suppose purple is not looking good, so what I'll just red. I think red will look nice, definitely. And let's change it to, let's say, 50. See, that automatically increased. Okay, cool. So let me just take the whole thing here and put it here with font and text color. Just remember this thing: for font, and for text color, for color you need to use text color. Okay, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and in future when you guys are going to watch this series from the YouTube or Udemy, please let me know the feedback, comment, suggestion you guys like enjoying in this way, or you need some more details or example code or something like that, because I think this is the best way I can give you. Probably still something is required. I'm not sure how much you guys are comfortable with the table thing, but if you follow this tutorial along with the slides and the source code, which I'm going to upload very soon in our GitHub repository, but don't worry, I'll upload the link as well in the video description. So if you follow all those things, it will be easier for you guys. In the next topic, I will start writing something, how to how to insert or append a complex data types within your table, like let's say some paragraph, some image, all those things. And the next tutorial probably will talk about something of alignment of this table data in the columns, then header. And in the last tutorial we'll create some sort of use case, like how to read data from a CSV file and create a nice looking table from the CSV. Okay, so this is my planning. So there will be 4 or 5 tutorial with table, then the table will be finished, like the tutorial regarding or related to table will be finished, and we'll see what else is pending. We'll start from there. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys are having a blast in the last night party for the new year, and today is 1st of January. As I told you, this is a very special video because this is the first video of this new year 2020. So I hope you guys definitely support me this year as well, just like the last year you guys did. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the like button whenever you think the video is doing or adding some value to your daily life with respect to your project, learning, personal development, whatever. And if you think these videos are relevant for some of your friends, family, whoever actually you are in touch, please ask them to view our videos, or you can share the link directly. It will definitely help us to reach bigger audience. And those are watching our videos from the Udemy, guys, special thank to you for purchasing this course. It is actually directly or indirectly helping me to build some other good material, great material. So if you have any doubt, question, please feel free to write me via the message box or chat box. I'll definitely help you. So once again, have a nice year ahead guys, have a great year ahead. So hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice or prosperous new year once again. So hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.